Hey, I'm going to show you how to make your Hershey candy bar printable packet here. So there are two that come in a kit. So there is one that doesn't have any of the text on it, and then there's the one with the text. We're going to use the one with the text today. And it's very, very simple to use. So I have just some double stick tape. I have a regular scissors, and I have my Hershey bar. So once you have yours printed, I printed mine out on a little bit of a heavier paper cardstock type of paper. I am just gonna cut around the outside here. You can also use a glue stick to do your pocket. And then I have the other objects here that you can use to make your cupcake 3D, and then also put a little sign on the inside of the packet so that when you put your candy bar in, there's a sign on the inside. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. It's totally up to you. All right, set this aside. All right. Get a little closer with that. There we go. All right. Now there's this middle part, which is where I would fold. There's also a little section here where I put glue here. You can use a glue stick also if you decide to. So I am going to just fold this on the inside here. And then I'm also going to fold this here. And this is where we're going to attach the front of this with the tape. I'm also going to put a little bit of tape on the bottom just so that it closes on the bottom and our candy bar doesn't fall out. So I'm going to just kind of measure out my tape here. And again, I'm just using a double stick tape. You can use a glue stick, that will work also. All right, so I'm just going to put this across here, right along here. Like so. And then I'm going to bring this over and match it all up so that I have my pocket. Now, as you can see, my candy bar is going to fit right inside of there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scissors and I'm going to cut out this little sign that's going to go on the inside. Okay, I'm going to end up putting this on the inside of here just like that. And again, I'm going to use a little bit of double stick tape. And I'm going to line that all up. There we go. Okay, so I have my little sign on the inside. I have my pocket. Now I'm going to make that cupcake three-dimensional. So I'm going to take my scissors and I am simply going to just cut around. I'm going to leave the flame with the white in there. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of match this up so that I can see where it goes. And again, I'm going to take some more of my double stick tape here. And I'm just going to put my double stick tape down the middle. Like this. And I'm going to match it up here. All right, so then I have my, now if you want it to be, you know, this part comes out pretty nicely. If you want this to come out a little bit too, you can just kind of fold it a little bit so that it, you know, so that it pops off the back. And then I pop my Hershey bar in there, and I have a super cute little packaging for my candy bar. It's a great little gift for someone maybe that you work with, or just a little something for a friend or neighbor when you know that they are having their birthday. And then there's the back.